How to redeem or use lifestyle gift cards. Guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use or redeem lifestyle gift card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is head over to lifestylestores.com. After you're here, you will see which your items which you might want to download. So right here, simply head over to any items that you want to download. So you can browse through it. You can just, like whatever you want. You can go to different sections. You can see different items right here. So let me head over to an item. And yeah, let's just go with the first one. And right here, just open one up. After you open one up, you'll get the option to add to basket. Tap on add to basket and choose a size if you might and add it to your basket. After you do that, simply head over to your basket, and on your basket you will get the option to just buy this product. So tap on checkout now, and right here tap on checkout now. You will need to create an account for that, my bad, but whenever you tap on checkout now, you will get an option where you will be on your you know uh, payment methods, where you will get an option to type in a code, that is your gift card code. Simply type your gift card code in and you'll get applied the discounts right there. And yeah, it's that simple. That is how you do it. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.